Alright, now we have 510 Blue Jay. With the new tile roof. Wood looks okay on the outside. Double door entrance. Huge foyer. Coat closet, oversized. Coming down to the right, we have guest bathroom, and this leads to this huge second bedroom. Tub shower combo, holder cabinets, that's down the hall to the left to the master bedroom for entry. Huge living room, cathedral ceiling, dining room area. To the right is this beautiful enclosed planted area. Kitchen. New counters, new cabinets, and appliances eventually. Got a pass-through area, family room. Down off the family room is the number 2 bathroom. And we have the laundry room area. Lots of storage up above. Off the family room, of course, is the pool area. Need to update, reface these doors. Dog area for you, which appears to be already fenced. Pool needs to be redone. It's about probably $3,500, maybe less. Notice there's a fence or a gate over there on that side, so it's already fenced for a dog. There's your dining room, living room, and master bedroom. Now I'm going to go through the dining room, living room. To the left, this could be a 3rd bedroom, but right now it's set up as an office with closets, large area. Again, lots of dated wallpaper. Now we're going into the very large master bedroom area. Obviously the doors open up to the pool. Yes, it's pink. Master bath, lower cabinets. Probably could just raise these up, save the top and put it on. Large walk-in closet, and the master bath, tub, and a separate shower.